Number 1. Unity and new beginnings. Significance. Unity and leadership represents the start of something new, leadership and independence. Symbol of the self often associated with individualism and personal power. How to gain from the number 1. New beginnings. Start new projects or endeavors on the first of the month or year. Affirmations. Use affirmations like, I am a leader, or I am in control of my destiny. Focus on self. Take time for self-improvement and personal development. Number 3. Creativity and communication. Significance. Trinity represents the triad in various cultures. For example, Father, Son, Holy Spirit, past, present, future. Creativity symbolizes creativity, self-expression, and communication. How to gain from the number 3. Creative projects. Engage in creative endeavors or communicate important messages on the 3rd. Group work. Work in groups of 3 to enhance creativity and communication. Affirmations. Use affirmations like, I am creative or I express myself clearly. Number 4. Stability and foundation. Significance. Earth elements represents the 4 elements, earth, air, fire, water, and 4 directions, north, south, east, west. Stability symbolizes stability, structure, and foundation. How to gain from the number 4. Building foundations, plan and execute foundational tasks on the 4th. Organize. Use the number 4 to structure your life and work, such as 4-step processes. Affirmations. Use affirmations like, I am grounded or I build strong foundations. Number 5. Change and adventure. Significance. Freedom and adventure represents dynamic action, change, and adventure. Human experience symbolizes the 5 senses and human experience. How to gain from the number 5. Embrace change. Initiate changes or start adventures on the 5th. Sensory activities. Engage in activities that stimulate all 5 senses. Affirmations. Use affirmations like, I embrace change or I live adventurously. Number 6. Harmony and balance. Significance. Harmony and home represents harmony, balance, and family. Love and responsibility symbolizes love, responsibility, and nurturing. How to gain from the number 6. Family time. Spend quality time with family or loved ones on the 6th. Balance. Focus on creating balance in your personal and professional life. Affirmations. Use affirmations like, I am balanced or I nurture and love. Number 7. Mysticism and spirituality. Significance. Mysticism and enlightenment represents spiritual awakening, introspection, and mysticism. Cultural significance frequently appears in religious texts and myths. How to gain from the number 7. Spiritual practices. Engage in spiritual practices, meditation, or introspection on the 7th. Seek knowledge. Pursue knowledge and wisdom, particularly in mystical or esoteric subjects. Affirmations. Use affirmations like, I seek knowledge or I am spiritually aware. Number 8. Abundance and power. Significance. Wealth and prosperity represents financial success, abundance, and power. Infinity symbolizes the infinity symbol, representing endless possibilities. How to gain from the number 8. Financial goals. Focus on financial planning and wealth accumulation on the 8th. Affirmations. Use affirmations like, I attract abundance or I am powerful. Symbolism. Incorporate the number 8 in your surroundings to attract prosperity. Number 9. Completion and humanitarianism. Significance. Completion and endings represents the end of a cycle, completion, and fulfillment. Humanitarianism symbolizes compassion, humanitarian efforts, and selflessness. How to gain from the number 9. Complete projects, finish tasks or projects on the 9th. Serve others. Engage in humanitarian or charitable activities. Affirmations. Use affirmations like, I complete my goals, or I serve others with love. Number 11. Intuition and insight. Significance. Master number represents spiritual insight, intuition, and enlightenment. Synchronicity, often associated with seeing 1111 as a sign of spiritual awakening. How to gain from the number 11. Intuitive practices. Engage in practices that enhance your intuition on the 11th. Affirmations. Use affirmations like, I trust my intuition, or I am spiritually aware. Pay attention. Notice synchronicities and be mindful of your thoughts when you see 1111. Number 22. Master Builder and Manifestation. Significance. Master number represents the ability to turn dreams into reality, build and achieve great things. Practicality and vision combines practicality with vision and leadership. How to gain from the number 22. Set big goals, plan, and take steps towards large-scale projects on the 22nd. Affirmations. Use affirmations like, I build my dreams, or I manifest my vision. Vision boards. Create a vision board or map out your goals to harness the energy of 22. Number 33. Master Teacher and Compassion. Significance. Master number represents compassion, teaching, and spiritual guidance. Healing and altruism symbolizes the ability to heal and uplift others. How to gain from the number 33. Teach and share. Focus on teaching, mentoring, or sharing knowledge on the 33rd day, or 3rd if 33rd isn't available. Affirmations. Use affirmations like, I am a compassionate teacher, or I heal and uplift others. Healing practices. Engage in healing practices, whether physical, emotional, or spiritual. These numbers each hold unique significance and power, providing a range of ways to harness their energy for personal and spiritual growth. By integrating these numbers into your life through mindful practices, affirmations, and goal setting, you can enhance various aspects of your life, from personal development to spiritual enlightenment and financial success.